Welcome, boys. Okay, we're back with the Jeep Grand Cherokee Laredo, the 2008, and we are going to head under the car because we need to replace the oxygen sensor. Previous video, I did some work on this thing. I was changing the belts. I had an engine light that came on that day. I ended up saying that we had an O2 sensor or catalyst system efficiency below threshold, which is probably a bad O2 sensor. This is the O2 sensor. Looks like there's a connection up there. So hopefully this thing does not fight me. Hopefully I can get the tool on and just bust that thing off. But life usually never works that well for me. But we're gonna try, boys. We are gonna hope for the best here. So I'm going to stick this magnet light somewhere. It looks like it'll stay there. I'll try to get you boys situated somewhere so you can see. And then I'll try to get this thing off. That might take several minutes. Alright, now you can kind of sort of see, I guess. That's going to have to be good enough. I'll try not to bump into you. And I'll try to get that thing off with the tool. Try this kind of long one with a slit in it. I need to go somewhere where I can, my tool will reach. Might be able to get it above there. I really don't know. Not ideal spot, but nothing about working on these fucking cars is ever ideal for me anyway. Everything is always a major project. Very rare that it isn't. Okay, can I get you off? Giggity. I don't know, maybe. There's not a lot of room to freaking get in here with anything. I might have to use an actual wrench. This doesn't work. We're fucked. Oh, damn it. I'm about to pop my back trying to do this. God, just feels like it's always stuck on. One on my 93 Vet I was able to get with a wrench, and ditto for the one on the BMW. That one wasn't too bad either. Literally every other oxygen sensor has been a shit show. Guess maybe the neons wasn't too bad, but you know, I got no fucking room, of course. So, you know, what am I gonna do here? Other than struggle and bust my knuckles if this ever breaks free. That one ain't gonna work, apparently. It also appears that there's more than one rear O2 sensor, which I'm just now noticing. That sucks. Hold on a second. Let me go back and check the fucking code, confirm which one of these is not reading properly. Okay, boys. Alright, here's what we got, boys. I cut the wire, and I did confirm it is bank 1 that says the catalyst system efficiency is below threshold. So because this is the post-cat O2 sensor, I don't even know what the pre-cat O2 sensor, oh there it is, it's way the fuck up there, which you can't see because the light's over here. But this is bank 1 for sure, it's coming off the driver's side, so I cut it, I got the 22 millimeter, the long boy, and I slid her over there. And when you do that, there's literally just enough, I mean, this thing's touching the pan here, transmission pan. So once you do that, you give her a few good whacks with your hammer. I don't know, boys. I'm doing my best here. I'm trying to get you guys at a place you can see. Alright, maybe you can see, maybe you can't. If not, I apologize. Whoopsies. Alright, so get the 22 mil, fuck the toolkit, and then just whack it with a hammer. You'll be able to slide the hammer along the pan, bang, 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 and then crack it loose. But, I mean, as you can see, I mean, this thing touches the pan, so as you're trying to loosen it, you're going to have to whack the pan a few times. I don't know if I can even move this thing in my hand yet. Fuck, no, I can't. But that's okay. Could be worse. I did manage to get it off. Well, crack loose, anyway. Once we get it off. So don't use that tool. That thing was just about to strip it. I kept trying to use it, and I was like, yeah, I can feel it. We're going to strip it any second now. And then we're going to be super boned. But we did not strip it. And I knocked you boys over. You know what? We'll just lay you down. I don't know if you can see anything. Probably not. But I didn't jack this thing up to get it off the ground. I'm literally just sliding under it. It has enough ground clearance, and I'm not that fat that I can actually fit underneath of it. So, I do more work than I have to. Callie spotted, boys. There she is, walking along the fence. Callie, what you doing? Callie, I see you. What are you doing, Callie? What you doing over there? You doing fun cat stuff? You're just gonna leave like that, Callie? You're not even gonna freaking help? You're gonna watch me struggle with this damn oxygen sensor? I see how it is, Callie. I feed you. I take care of you. Alright, we're getting it by hand now, boys. Boo-ka! Got it. See, we were starting to strip it a little right there, so that's why we had to abort and just go for the wrench. Okay, boys, so this is what I'm talking about. This is a little cheater device, and this is the O2 sensor, the replacement one. See, not cut. So this is actually going to go into the exhaust stream, and it's got a little screen in here. And what this is going to do is essentially helps filter it out a little, but also pulls this out of the stream of the exhaust. So we should get a much better reading while it's monitoring the catalytic converter for its efficiency. So once we do that, I'm going to anti-seize this, because who knows, I might be the next person that gets working on this thing again. Need to replace the sensor, anti-seize this, and then when we put it back in the car, we'll be golden. And then I'll clear the code and check it, and then we shouldn't have any problems. So now, just need to spin this around, get it into place. Okay, boys, and there we have it. We have the O2 sensor back in with our cheater device. I'll get some light in here for you so you can see it. So as you can see, the O2 sensor is now going to be pulled out of the exhaust stream. So we're going to fire it up, clear the codes, and then I'll show you what a good O2 sensor reading is if the catalytic converter is in fact efficient. But this is the easiest way to actually replace this without replacing the catalytic converter, because that's an expensive fix. Just put the cheater device in and a new O2 sensor, and you should be fine. I've been rocking that in the Crown Vic for years since I've done it, if you've seen that video, and she's still going strong, no codes. So, alright, I'll jump back inside, and then I'll show you what the scan. Okay, boys, and this is the code that we need to clear. P0420, catalyst system efficiency below threshold, bank 1. So I'm going to clear it real quick, we'll start it, and then we'll check to make sure that the O2 sensor is all golden. Okay, boys, and we've cleared the code, P0420, and as you can see now, we do have a graph of our bank 1 sensor 1, yellow, moving up, down, like it's supposed to, and then our sensor 2 on that same bank is doing what it's supposed to be doing, and is staying fairly high, operating pretty consistently. If I increase the RPMs a little, which is hard to do with this electronic throttle body. Get it right at 2 and hold it there, because electronic throttle body's fucking stuck. Like, my foot's not even moving, and yet this thing keeps bouncing up and down. Alright, so it's at 2,000. As you can see, it's quickly moving up, down, up, down, up, down. But if you look at the voltage on the O2 sensor, bank 1, sensor 2, it's staying pretty consistent, which is pretty close towards the top. And that's what we want to see. So, I consider this a successful repair. That is the quick, easy, and cheap way of fixing a P0420 or any other catalyst system efficiency below threshold. Just replace the rear O2 sensor, the one that monitors the cat, and then put that little cheater device in there. And then you are good as gold. So, customers should be happy. Hopefully this helps you as well. And I'll catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Peace.